Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra plugin full guide. First, install and activate the plugin from your WordPress dashboard, then open the Astra settings. Choose a starter template or begin with global typography and color options to match your brand. Configure header layout, blog settings, and sidebar behavior. Enable performance features and integrate with your page builder of choice before customizing responsive breakpoints. Installing Astra is straightforward and quick. Begin by going to Plugins, Add New, search for Astra and press Install followed by Activate. The setup wizard appears to help you import a starter site or skip to manual customization. Choose the page builder integration, set default container widths, and enable recommended plugins. Once installed, preview your site and adjust header, footer, and layout settings to match your brand voice and layout needs. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use and enjoy. They save time and reduce spills around workstations or home offices. Check the video description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Customization is where Astra shines and feels effortless. Start with global settings to set typography, color palettes, and container widths so every page follows the same design rules. Use the header builder to place your logo, menu, and a clear call to action where visitors will see it. Tweak single post and archive layouts, then preview across devices to refine paddings, margins, and mobile breakpoints for a polished, responsive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.